come with me to do a mini fridge restock, which won't take long. So here are, we just put it like that. We're gonna put in that pizza, another pizza from a different place. Then we have 2 burgers. Gonna put those on the same shelf. And then we have an Auntie Anne's pretzel. Gonna put that above the pizza. And then we have this cinnamon bun, which will go beside the pizza. Then we have this koya, which we'll put next to the burger. And we have these 2 drinks. And then we have this, which will go on the side here. And that makes it the end of our fridge restock. So these are all the old items that were originally in there, but I don't like them, so bye.